Hello everyone, and welcome to another video. Today we are obviously going to celebrate the new update, new safari, new escape route, new rims, 1 billion visits in under a year. Okay. I'm going to be joining the police because I've actually got something very special to do today. I have now got the SWAT team thing. Whatever. Yes, I've got the SWAT team stuff. If you look here, stores, SWAT team, own it. Then if we go to, yeah, that's pretty cool. What's the challenge today? Kill 20 people with a shotgun. I don't even know what a shotgun is. Got a quick open. Open that. The best thing to do is just let it spin itself to get you the best stuff if you do that. If you just skip it, you never get anything. Good stuff. Ooh. I've actually got the cow texture now, so I'm going to change the texture on my lovely SWAT pen. So let me just go and get there. First, I'm going to the parking space outside. Okay. I ended up living in the parking space where I left it. I suppose, yeah, always goes on most of the we need to wait until the bank gets robbed again. Because I want to see if I can call the bank with the new SWAT stuff. There's new, I don't know if it's new, but I've never had the SWAT before. So, it might be new, it might not be new. So, if I turn around, I'm just going to park it outside, pull into this lay-by, can I fix it? Oh, tight, it's so tight, but I did it! Okay, so yeah. So I've done it. I'm going to put it up outside. I'm doing that. Yeah. So if I do that, pretty good. And now I'm just going to go through the SWAT team stuff. So as you can see, all the SWAT team, that's police, that's a kind of a line. Look! Look at that symmetry there. That's what that stuff looks like on you. Quite like what we've seen before. Then there's this gun. So it looks like this. 5. Like this. This. Pretty fancy Nancy. Then there's that gun for just the normal one you normally had before. Because it won't let you get it from here. Just makes it look fancier. And then there's shield. The shield is the thing I want to talk about. Just as long as you can have 40 to do this, because there's 6 and the gun together. So you have the shield and the gun together. You cannot. So that's just what I know it comes. I've just got a level 4 engine, I think. What have I got? A level 4 engine with I've got a level 4 engine with like texture and high suspension. I've got the high suspension. Now if we go down to the city, oh hello. Oh, there's a person here, we can arrest them. They weren't expecting that, were they? Oh, there. That's anything, they just stay in the road. I just wish you can move them, like pick them up and put them there. Oh my! Oh my! I never knew you could do that! Oh, you learn something new every day up there. I know there's something with the quad bike and the motorbike. You can put them on a helicopter and land around into the building, and you can fly them off. Pretty cool. So while you're waiting for someone to log back, I want to show you the new texture I've got. I want to try it out. And I'm going to find a good window colour to go with it. Oh. I know I've got a brand new 1 billion rims. These are the rims here. They're really nice. They don't actually cost 1 billion, the same. The Roblox rims cost less. So the texture. I've now got, nearly got the zebra earlier. Cow. Pretty hilarious, but also, going to here. I'll just say like a few more. There's a bank robbery. Quick, we need to get out of here. Exit garage. Quick! This is what I want to show you. This is what I need to show you. It's to do with this. So, tune in. So, what the little trick that I know. I'm hoping to park your vehicle over the thing, because then they can't get out. I believe anyway. You walk into it. Someone. Oh my days! They're killing me! Don't wipe me out, but I need to get that back there quickly. We're really near. Come on! Or you could just go and fall off the edge of the roof. It'd be very helpful in this. You park that SWAT van right over the top of the hole, so now they shouldn't, hopefully, be able to get out. Come on! Come on, up! Up, helicopter, up! Lock. The helicopter's now stuck. Up, helicopter, up! Come on, the light's stuck on it. You glitched the light on it, man. Man, the light's glitched. Come on. That worked. Well, still. What? And then back. What's the matter? Go. No! No! Bit of a chase. Oh! Oh! Going right into a trap. Thanks for locking me. I'm after this guy. It's been speedy. Oh! He's coming up there again. You don't want to go up there, mate. I could pull him right over and push him into the bush. Might just be able to arrest him. Oh! Can't shoot the tires out either. I know what he's going to do. What's he going to do now? Oh, come on, wrong way round. It's really helpful. Come on. He's waiting for me. Yeah. Oh! Oh! Oh, that was a good one then, mate. You just wait. Yeah. I'm going to come straight into my little trap. think he's got away with that one. Oh, no, he hasn't. He's up here. Car here. Okay, quick. Right, I know where he is now. Oh no, Swat man. I saw where they were going. Here. Guessing. Oh, whoa. Come on. That's down the west of the lake. Oh, pretty cool. Oh. You can't get away from me. This Swat van is amazing. I know what he's doing. He's gonna jump. Oh. Whoa! Take out! Oh, you should have seen those claws that I made! There's a blood up. Aye! Quick! Some of those cords that I made is amazing. It's just amazing. Wow. So, I'll end the video soon. Yeah, time limit. Sorry. Yeah. We'll quickly do this. In 1 minute. Get in. I mean, we've got the SWAT thing. Okay. I'll have to do it in another video. Sorry, guys, but yeah. How are they shooting? We're going up. Yeah. Good. Okay, so I'm gonna have to end the video here, guys. I'm just gonna do another one now. Yeah, so yeah. Bye then.